Here is an Fan-Tastic Vent ceiling fan. This is a model, it's a Creative Breeze model, and these are meant for RVs, or an RV as you can see. And these are really simple and don't really have that many features, but they're still good fans. This is basically a mini whole house fan, but it's for an RV. So let's turn it on. To operate, there's this knob right here that you crank up, and this cranks up all the way until you get the full fan. Then all you have to do is come over to the speed knob, and here's low. And now this is a basic model, it does not have reverse. So here's low. Medium. High. There's also a thermostat. And off. There you go. Now all you have to do is close this, and the fan is closed. So hope you liked it. It's once again, it's a Fan-Tastic Vent Creative Breeze fan, and thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.